Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss two further currency pairs for the upcoming 4 or 5 weeks because as an analyst this is my duty to find as many profitable setups as I can. In the last week, I have discussed gold, dollar CAD, pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar yen, crude oil in much detail, and pound yen in too much detail. All of those setups are still valid. You can watch the previous videos, and they will be almost like valid for two further weeks, I'm sure, if the volume is the same like this, right? So those stories I will definitely cover on regular basis. Maybe tonight I will upload a video if something big happens on gold or on pound dollar, then I will make a video. Otherwise, let's focus for now on this plan. Plus, I will also be telling you and teaching you, or will be sharing my own method with you, that how after all, find these structures and make plans for myself that work really well and that give me profits as well. So let's have a look at this chart. Today is 1st February. I forgot to tell you, but you know that that this is like, as a forex trader, I know you will be having enough knowledge about the dates, information about the dates. So monthly, if we see, very good chart, this one, and I am following it almost from 2 3 months from September. Now I even have uploaded a video, and if you a video in September. So very nice looking chart right here. The first thing first, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I have to find ranges, right? Well, something has happened to my MT4. If someone can help me in the comment section down below. When I do these drawings and I close MT4, I shut down my computer. When I restart and the next day when I open my MT4, these drawings are disappeared. So let me know someone if you know, because I want them to stay right here. So very nice chart right here, and that was on the monthly. Now let's see on the weekly time frame. Well, on the weekly, I think this is 61.8. It's early in the morning right here, and my throat is completely dry. Okay, so 61 at a price level of 87, right? Now, if on the weekly it bounces off from 61.8% retracement, my Fibonacci strategy says what? It says that try to look for the reverse 61.8% retracement. Now, let me explain this to you. It's very important concept because this is one impulsive wave. This one, let me actually do it this way. It will be much better. You know, it what it did is it created this whole impulsive wave, right? From 10th October 2021 somewhere. I will check out the dates and times. And then what it did is it gave a correction towards 61.8% retracement. And this is a weekly chart. So what my strategy suggests is that this move is going to stop near 61.8% retracement right here. So this is now a very, very important level for me. Now, when I know my levels that, okay, this is also an important level to me. Now let's delete this Fibonacci. I don't need it. Let's mark it, and I also don't need it. Yes. So, this is now the situation. Now the ABCD part comes in because when I mark two levels, I have to find out whether they work or whether they don't work. Are you getting my point? So I have to find whether it works or not. Obviously, a buy trade right here? No way. Why? Because the buy was right here. Sorry. So the buy was right here at 94.11. Now it suggests this thing and it suggests this thing. Let me mark that area as well. And guess what? It's pointing towards the monthly hold resistance. So this is now again very, very nice and decent. But remember, in this place, this much place, there are a lot of stories on regular basis. The long term, the short term, the bigger uh, TP and smaller SL type of trade, the instant trade, the long term trade, a lot of trades in this just one single move. And I will be showing it to you right now. Now I know my levels, especially for the weekly. It's going up, right? It's going up just like gold and those other pairs. It's showing an up move. Now move to the daily and find out if we can find quickly somewhere 100 pips. That's what I need per day from one pair. That's enough with one lot, or maybe if you can do it with 5, 6 lots, that's good. Now on the daily time frame, what it is showing me is that it's clearly going up till 94.11. Clearly. But how about this one? Now here comes in the structure part, right? Now you have to understand it. Listen very, very carefully and watch carefully the screen and the drawings. So now I can potentially trade this level. I can potentially trade this level if I want to. Who knows? I may trade, I may not. But if I want to trade, I can trade this much. This one, the one that you see this. So yes, if someone asks me at that time, I can give a nice 113 pips of trade signal. That will be good. But obviously that will depend that how much it will have a stop loss. So I will discuss that in next video. Now I'm like it is 94.11 and it is stopped at this level. We get this one trade opportunity. Move on to lower time frames. And yes, obviously, before doing that, let's mark one more level. And that is this one. And I'm going to highlight it as well, maybe with a different color. Let's see, blue. I want these drawings to stay on my chart even if I shut down my computer. Now it is clear. What else I want to discuss right here is to have a look at this impulsive wave on the daily. Oh, look at this. Just have a look at this 61.8% retracement and a drop. So now the daily is also interesting for me. Well, I just need this much for sure. 210 pips for sure I want to it because I will be playing bigger lots, 10 lots maybe. So obviously I want its guarantee whether it will work or not. So yes, on the daily I got this 61.8% retracement, and this is the reverse 61.8% retracement. I hope you get my point, what I want to convey. Let me tell you once again. Market is coming down, retraces back 61.8. When a 61.8 rejects the price, the next destination will be another 61.8% retracement of this leg. So 161 from here and 1 from here. It adds more value to the structure. Now let's have a look at the RSI reading. Well, that's fine. Right when price was trading near 61.8% retracement, what it did is RSI was at overbought situation. That's like again uh, uh, good. Like if I categorize it, we get it was a very nice entry. Remember, I didn't trade it because I'm doing the forecast and the prediction and the technical analysis in front of you. So I didn't trade it because I'm more focused on gold. But it was a very, very fantastic opportunity. Two things I know. The first one is it reverses from 61.8% retracement, a respect of structure. The second thing is it is 61.8% retracement, and the third thing is it's at double top on the daily. Now here comes in what? The time. Now I have to see how much time did it took. So 13th December till 26th January 2023. So almost like 1 month and 13 days, I should say. So 1 month and 13 days it took there. It's good. Now this is one opportunity. This is another which I'm not interested in it at all. So I will be focusing on this opportunity and I will be taking a buy trade, remember. Maybe if I trade during the New York session and I get something right here, I will trade it towards 89.33. A very nice, decent and beautiful trade setup if you know the Fibonacci. And this type of trade, let's say if it executes there, you will just need around 200 pips as stop loss and 317 pips it can give you, but believe me, you can leave the market early as well. Now, this is what I call a very nice plan. Let's further go to the 4-hour time frame, and it has a reason. It has a reason because I want to obviously if I want to take a sell trade today and I haven't studied the H4, how will I take it? I will make then very smaller portion of profit. No, I don't want, I'm not here to make small profits. I want to make big, and every forex traders wants it, but the right way, not the greedy one. So I have to find right here. Don't get confused with these too much lines, because if you see the professionals, uh, this is like just one monitor, but they have like a lot of monitors full of data. So if you are confused with the messy charts, I think you cannot become a good trader. And back in 2016, what I used to say is, hey, just forget these messy charts, let's make it simple. But no, you will need to understand these things, right? And especially like when I'm used to it, so I don't need to make the charts messy, right? I don't want to make it messy. But when I explain things, then definitely I have to make some drawings. So here, first of all, on the H4, an impulsive wave, a very nice stop, a failure of the Fibonacci, a break below. This is the whole story. It can stop near 92.28, and in that situation, yes, let's see. It can stop right here with 65 pips of stop loss, or around 70 pips of top stop loss. I think you can make at least one ratio one. That's what I can guarantee. But try to practice these on the demo accounts and wait for this RSI to go above uh, 80. So it will be over bought, right? So this was the analysis. I hope you will like it. And if you see my previous videos, 99% of my setups work because I go into much detail of each and every setup, right? So I have like memorized all of these things in my mind, and whenever I need, I take it out, I use it, and I keep it back. So it was a very great session. Tomorrow, or maybe later today in the New York session, or even during the New York session, I will upload another video on gold. Kind of a quick update type of videos, because the analysis are already there. Go there, watch those videos, and make profits from those setups. They are just getting wasted, so why not take benefit from that? Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I will see you next time. uh and one more thing, I'm really sorry. I'm really very sorry I couldn't discuss another pair because I'm running out of time. So obviously I will discuss that maybe after New London Open. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.